So let's start with our first tool. Number 1. SimilarWeb. With almost 2 billion websites on the internet, it's no surprise that the internet is a heavily competitive area. It's hard to think about how to get your audience's attention when there are literally millions of other people out there trying to do the same. But knowing about your competitors can help you to make new strategy for your content marketing plan. SimilarWeb can help you get analytics and activity about your competitors' sites. It offers you information about their monthly website traffic, best SEO keywords and many other vital information. This can really help you in acquiring a large number of audience that can benefit in your business. SimilarWeb also offers a side-by-side comparison of your website and your competitors. It provides you a free trial for some days. After that you can take any of their plan according to your need. Number 2. Mixkit. A lot of businesses underrate the value of video content. It's a versatile format that allows you to connect with users across several mediums, such as your website, emails, ads and social media. Videos are entertaining and seeks attention very fast. This makes the videos a great tool for content marketing. In fact, people spend more than 120 minutes a day watching videos in today's time. One website that can help you produce high-quality videos is Mixkit. Mixkit is a library of HD stock videos, stock music, sound effects and video templates offering a wide variety of topics and themes. If you don't want to hire a videographer or buy a camera, Mixkit is a great alternative to make videos quickly and easily and put videos at the center of your content strategy. Making videos a part of your content marketing strategy will give you amazing results and help you in acquiring new markets. Number 3. Canva. We all know that graphics plays a very important role in presenting the content to audience in very easy and understandable way in small time at any platform. So you might think of hiring a graphic designer or team, but wait, we have a solution for that. You don't need a dedicated graphic design team to create compelling visual assets. With a tool like Canva, anyone can make beautiful creatives designs from social media posts to infographics, brochures, and even videos. Canva offers hundreds of templates to help you create customized images that fit your company's brand and image perfectly in minutes. You can add shapes, animated videos, stock photos, backgrounds, text, and more with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Canva is especially useful if your time and budget for graphic design is limited, but it's also beloved by professional designers worldwide due to its ease of use and huge library of assets. And guess what? In free version only you get a lots of assets to design various things. Number 4. QuestionDB. Having a blog is one of the best ways to connect with your audience while at the same time introducing them to your product. It's a great medium to give them helpful tips, talk about their interests, share product updates, and highlight features that can solve their pain points. Written content can also help get more attention to your website and product by increasing your online exposure, but it can be hard to find topics and create blogs consistently for your website. QuestionDB is a great tool that helps you find dozens of blog posts ideas. All you have to do is enter a topic on QuestionDB and they will run it through their system. The online tool will then retrieve questions that people have asked regarding a topic. You can also sort these results based on frequency or popularity. This can really help you in producing high-quality written content. Number 5. Google Analytics. You have created a great content strategy, launched a great website, and are blogging regularly. But how do you know if it's really working? If you want to keep track of data such as conversion rates, website visitors, clicks and SEO performance of your website, and you absolutely should. Getting an analytics tool such as Google Analytics is essential to track your website's growth. Google Analytics provides valuable data about how visitors are interacting with your website, such as traffic, session duration, bounce rate, conversions, and more. By keeping an eye on your data, you'll be on the right track to adjust and pivot your content marketing strategy to make sure it works, and this can also help you in understanding that what is the demand of your audience and for what kind of content they are looking from you. Number 6. Trello. Trello is a very popular online tool that helps businesses organize and manage projects with ease and transparency, as well as increasing collaboration between team members. You can get set up with a standard Trello board in minutes, organizing your tasks in different lists and adding due dates, assigned people and labels. With Trello's Power Up feature, you can easily integrate your business's other tools with your board for a bigger productivity boost, including Google Drive, Slack and Dropbox. You can also use Trello's virtual assistant Butler to trigger automatic actions on your cards, such as assigning the right colleague for a task or adding comments and labels based on rules. Number 7. Grammarly. Written content is probably a huge part of your marketing strategy, so it's essential to make sure it's correct and well written. After all, bad grammar can reflect badly on your brand. Grammarly is a great tool for content writers to check their grammar, spelling, vocabulary, punctuation mistakes, and more. It not only helps with the writing process, but cuts down on manual editing and saves a lot of time too. With this free Chrome extension, the tool can proofread anything you write, from blog articles to social media posts and emails. If you want to take it a step further, Grammarly also offers a paid version of the product that performs advanced writing check and analyzing a document's readability. Number 8. MailChimp. When it comes to interacting and direct reach with audience through your content, email marketing is one of the best ways to reach out to your audience directly and make sure they are engaging with your content via newsletters, blog digests, and personalized content recommendations. That's why it's so important to make sure your email marketing efforts are aligned with your content strategy. As they sets up high standard for email marketing software, MailChimp is a user-friendly and powerful tool to help you maximize the power of your email marketing campaigns. MailChimp has recently expanded its functionalities to become an all-in-one marketing tool, with features such as drag-and-drop email templates and many more. Number 9. HubSpot. HubSpot is a great all-round tool for companies of all sizes. With a powerful and user-friendly CRM and hubs made for the specific needs of each of your teams, HubSpot's extensive feature set and ease of use make it a favorite among more than 90,000 users. For your overall marketing strategy, HubSpot's Marketing Hub helps you organize your efforts on blogging, social media, ads, landing pages and more, aiming to help you attract a wider audience and maximize your conversion rates. In addition, HubSpot's CMS Hub helps you manage your website content and makes easy for your marketing team to work on new markets. Number 10. Buffer. Social media is essential to your content marketing strategy. It can help you build a connection with your audience, establish your brand and give you an extra channel to promote your content. However, managing social media can take up a lot of valuable time. That's where Buffer comes in. This social media scheduling tool automates the posting process in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. You can create time slots to post on each platform every day and create a queue that allows you to schedule posts for months in advance. This amazing thing of Buffer provides you a lot more time to create new content. You can also create campaigns across all platforms and follow their performance, as well as check important data from individual posts, such as click-through rates, views and reach. That is it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed and got some knowledge through this video. I will meet you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share and comment down your thoughts below, and also subscribe to the channel for more such content. Jai Hind.